Hey, what's up, fellas? Are you looking to start an IT career, but you're confused whether you should go for a CompTIA A plus certification or Microsoft Azure Fundamentals AZ-900? Don't worry, you're not the only one. There are thousands of people looking for an answer, and today I'll break it down for you and help you make a choice based on your goals. By the way, my name is Asim Khan. I'm an IT manager based here in Silicon Valley with 15 years of real-world IT experience. I have interviewed and hired dozens of entry-level IT roles just like yourself and know what works in the industry. So are you ready for this? Let's dive in. So what will this video cover? We're going to compare two popular certifications, CompTIA A plus versus Microsoft Azure Cloud Fundamentals, AZ-900. We're going to talk about what are they, who is it for? How long does it take to study? Free resources to study, duration, the cost, career potential, salary, and in the end, I'll give you my honest opinion based on your interest. Simple enough? Let's dive in. So what's this video for? If you're brand new in IT, looking to switch careers, or just exploring new options, this video is made just for you. Whether you're more hands-on or curious about cloud technology, this video will help you decide. So what is CompTIA A+? CompTIA A+ is a vendor-neutral foundational IT certification. It consists of two core exams, Exam 1201 and Exam 1202. It covers a broad range of topics such as hardware, software, operating systems like Windows, troubleshooting, networking basics, and some IT security related topics. Exam duration is 90 minutes per exam, and you have to solve 90 multiple choice questions, drag and drop, and performance-based questions. This exam is often required for entry-level roles such as IT help desk and desktop. If you really want to know how computers work from the ground up, CompTIA A+ is the certification that you want to go for. Now, what is AZ-900? AZ-900 is a Microsoft Azure Cloud Fundamentals certification which consists of one exam. It teaches you cloud principle, Azure services, pricing and security, and support models. Exam duration is 60 minutes, in which you have to answer 60 questions which are mostly multiple choice. Guys, this exam is not very technical or hands-on. It is perfect for those who are interested in learning how the cloud technology works and growing in that field. Now, how long does it take to study for these exams? As the absolute beginner, CompTIA A+ can take you up to 3 months if you study part-time. On the other hand, AZ-900 can take up to 4 weeks. Not bad at all. Are there any free resources to study for these exams? Of course. You know I don't want you to spend any money on this. I'm always looking for free stuff for you. And besides, I think education should be free worldwide. So here are the resources. For CompTIA A+, I highly recommend Professor Messer free IT training website. This guy has done an amazing job, so do check it out. For AZ-900 free training, check out Microsoft website called learn.microsoft.com. Guys, it is a gold mine. Also check out John Savale's tech channel on YouTube. It's pretty solid. Now let's talk about the certification cost. CompTIA A+ certification will cost you $265. And remember, there are 2 exams. And sorry guys, there is no free retake. If you fail, you have to buy it again. On the other hand, AZ-900 will cost you $99 for 1 exam. And sometimes it is totally free if you register through Microsoft virtual training events. That's a big plus for the beginners on budget. Now let's talk about the jobs and career path. CompTIA A+ certification sets you up for roles such as help desk and desktop support. It is great if you want to do hands-on and want to get started right away. AZ-900 certification will open doors for you if you want to pursue career in cloud technology. You will be looking at roles such as cloud support analyst or even junior DevOps with a bit more experience. Now let's talk about the salary. After completing CompTIA A+ certification, you can expect to make $70,000 in USA. What about AZ-900? Guys, AZ-900 is a great entry point, but it may not be enough to get a job. You will have to back it up with another certification such as AZ-104, Azure Administrator. Then you can expect to make 80 to 90K in USA. Guys, cloud is growing fast, and in the long term, it offers higher earning potential. Now, here's my honest recommendation. Someone who has hired a lot of entry-level talent. If you want to get hands-on and understand the IT fundamentals inside and out, go for CompTIA A+. But if you are future-focused and interested in cloud technology, AZ-900 is an excellent entry point. There's no wrong choice. It just depends what you're interested in. Here's a little humor. Remember, there is no cloud without a solid foundation. And there's no foundation without knowing how to turn on a computer. Got it? All right, that's it, folks. If you find my content helpful, please make sure to subscribe and like. I make content every week to help out beginners just like yourself with real insight from someone who's working in this field. Drop me a comment if you have any question. I'll be more than happy to answer. Stay tuned for more beginner-friendly videos. Until then, see ya.